900 goats in one city. Are you ready? Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more strategies on goat farming and diaspora relocation strategies. And like and share our content as well if you feel this has been useful to you. Hi again, it's Sifiso from Bulembe Farm. I'm a nurse turned goat farmer, and today I'm talking about markets for our goats, as this has been a question that keeps popping up a lot of the times when people are wanting to start goat farming. One of the most common questions that people ask is there a market for goats? Yes, I'm ready, I'm willing to start a goat farming venture, but is there a market? Absolutely. And for those of you who've attended our goat farming masterclasses, I have covered the aspect of markets in great detail. And one of the markets I always talk about is that of the Muslim community. I'm talking about specifically in Zimbabwe, but this applies right across the globe. The increased need and demand within the Muslim calendar. And remember that this is not just a casual market. This is a well organized market based on religious beliefs, religious festivals. So it's a guaranteed market because these happen every year. You just need to connect yourself with your local Muslim community elders in order to know and understand the specific dates for any particular year when goats or sheep are needed within the Muslim calendar and for Muslim festivals. So if you feel you would like to know in great detail about this market, please comment Eid in the comment section. And if enough of you do that, I'll be willing to bring to this platform somebody who knows a lot more about this market, somebody who is a Muslim themselves. Remember, I'm not Muslim, but as I've said in previous videos, in 20, I think it was either 2020 or 2021, I was approached by a Muslim elder in Bulawayo, which is where I come from. And he wanted to know if I could supply their community with 900 goats each year. And of course, I couldn't, I couldn't. It's a fantastic thing, but I just couldn't do it. So, what I did during my master classes, which I run on a very regular basis, is I always invite the students at the end of it and say, okay, you are here, you're willing to start, but can we just do something together? Can 10 of us just get together and plan to supply the Muslim community with 900 goats per year in Bulawayo? But so far, no one has come forward. But so many times I'm asked this question: where is the market for goats? People seem to be aware of other potential markets, but this one is actually a low hanging fruit, but not many people know about it. And those that have shared the information with don't seem keen to follow up on the invitation. So I'm here today to extend the invitation once more. Whether you are in Zimbabwe, whether you are in the diaspora, maybe you are a nurse in the diaspora, just like me, and you're thinking of coming back home, you are thinking of setting up a goat farm, um, to supplement perhaps a pension plan, a retirement plan, and you're not quite sure how to get started, or if indeed you got started, where is the market? How are you going to make the money? So I'm saying to you, this is one opportunity that you can leverage on. You start your business knowing fully well who your market is and when they need those goats. It's a no-brainer, really. It isn't. So for those of you who are serious about supplying goats to the Muslim community, please kindly comment Eid below, and I will arrange for a follow-up presentation or live stream with somebody who knows and understands this market very well. And it applies, as I've said, right across the globe, right across Africa, whether you are in Ghana or you are in Nigeria, Zambia, South Africa, wherever you are, as long as within your town there is a mosque, it means that there is a Muslim community waiting for you to supply them with goats. I hope I'm making this very clear. Thank you.